Hey everyone, Dean here, and let me tell you, I am absolutely buzzing to be exploring Bristol today. This city is a melting pot of life, creativity and history. From its vibrant harbour to its quirky street art scene, Bristol has something for everyone. So, buckle up, grab your adventure caps, and let's get exploring. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Bristol's maritime legacy, the historic harborside. This place is steeped in centuries of stories, from its days as a bustling trading port to its modern-day transformation into a vibrant hub of restaurants, shops and attractions. Today, the harbour is alive with street performers, buzzing cafes and the gentle sway of boats bobbing on the water. Bristol isn't just about history. It's a city that embraces creativity in all its forms, and nowhere is that more evident than in its vibrant street art scene. As you explore the city, keep your eyes peeled for Banksy's iconic stencils, from the well-hung lover on Park Street to the girl with the pierced eardrum in Stokes Croft. Ready for a different perspective? Hop aboard a boat tour and experience Bristol from the unique vantage point of the River Avon. See the Clifton Suspension Bridge in all its glory, marvel at the colourful houses perched on the hillsides, and drift beneath historic bridges. Calling all history buffs and art enthusiasts, Bristol is home to a treasure trove of world-class museums just waiting to be explored. And don't miss the chance to step aboard the SS Great Britain, Isambard Kingdom Brunel's groundbreaking steamship. As the sun sets, Bristol transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife with something to suit every taste. And for a truly unique experience, catch a show at the historic Bristol Old Vic, one of the oldest continuously operating theatres in the English-speaking world. No trip to Bristol is complete without experiencing the engineering marvel that is the Clifton Suspension Bridge. For the best views, head to the Clifton Observatory, where you can enjoy panoramic vistas and learn about the bridge's fascinating history. Calling all animal lovers, Bristol Zoo Gardens is home to over 400 species from around the world, set amidst 12 acres of beautiful gardens. The zoo is not just a fun day out for the family. It's also a center for conservation and education, inspiring the next generation of wildlife enthusiasts. Prepare to be transported back to the golden age of ocean travel as you step aboard the SS Great Britain. Explore the meticulously restored cabins. Imagine the excitement of passengers embarking on transatlantic journeys and learn about the ship's fascinating history. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and step into a world of tranquility at Bristol Botanic Garden. Wander through the glass houses, each showcasing a different climate and ecosystem, from the humid tropics to the arid desert. Prepare to be awestruck by the architectural grandeur of Bristol Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has stood for centuries. Take a moment for quiet reflection, admire the craftsmanship of the carvings and sculptures, and learn about the cathedral's fascinating history. Experience the magic of live theatre at the Bristol Old Vic, one of the oldest continuously operating theatres in the English-speaking world. From Shakespearean classics to cutting-edge contemporary works, the Bristol Old Vic offers a diverse program that will captivate and inspire. Get ready for a unique shopping experience at St. Nicholas Market, a treasure trove of independent boutiques, vintage finds and artisan crafts. Browse the stalls, discover one-of-a-kind souvenirs, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this Bristol institution. Delve into the heart of Bristol's identity at the M Shed Museum, a fascinating exploration of the city's history, culture and people. Discover the city's industrial heritage, its role in the transatlantic slave trade, and its transformation into the vibrant, multicultural hub it is today. For an unforgettable experience, take to the skies in a hot air balloon and witness Bristol from a whole new perspective. Drift over the Clifton Suspension Bridge, marvel at the patchwork of colourful houses, and soak in the tranquility of the surrounding countryside. If you're lucky enough to be in Bristol during the annual Balloon Fiesta, prepare for a visual spectacle like no other. Join the crowds at Ashton Court Estate to witness the mass ascents, marvel at the specially shaped balloons, and enjoy the festive atmosphere. So there you have it, my friends, 15 incredible reasons why Bristol should be at the top of your travel bucket list. From its rich history and vibrant culture to its stunning architecture and thrilling adventures, this city has something to captivate every traveler. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration, and let me know in the comments below what you'd love to see next.